You eat this every week. But inside your body, fat, salt, and chemicals rush into your system. Your blood thickens, and your body starts reacting to the changes within your system as the circulation slows down significantly. Your brain releases dopamine, making you crave more, but too much overwhelms your system. Your heart races faster and faster as the pulses intensify, reaching a critical peak in this high-tension clinical environment. Until it can't keep up. And you eat it again. Subscribe to Nidayu Lab, and like it also. Thank you for watching the video today.